Welcome to Autotech Essentials, your go-to channel for discovering the latest and most innovative car tools. In today's video, we'll explore 10 incredible gadgets designed to make your driving experience safer, easier, and more efficient. Stay tuned to find the perfect tool for your needs. Number 1. Pneumatic Tubeless Tire Installation Tool. This is a pneumatic tool for quick and easy installation of tubeless tires on wheel rims. It is suitable for tires up to 24.5 inches in diameter on all vehicles. It has a sturdy powder-coated steel body for durability and reliability. It has a pressure gauge on the body for easy pressure monitoring. Recommended working pressure is 87 to 120 pounds. Refills from a standard compressor in an auto repair shop. The metal cylinder has a specially designed tip shape that allows the powerful air jet to be directed precisely between the tire and the rim at the perfect angle. Number 2. Smart Rear View Mirror with Dual Cameras. Smart Rear View Mirror with 2 cameras, 4K front and 1080p rear. Image is customizable by scrolling the screen, selecting front, rear, or split screen. Utilizes media streaming technology. Displays real-time recording, maximizing your view and eliminating blind spots. Built-in GPS receiver shows speed and direction of travel. All recordings contain GPS data. Parking monitor mode is activated by optional kit. Provides safety when parking. WDR technology optimizes the image at night. Recording is cyclic with overwriting of old files. G-sensor detects impact and saves video. USB-C interface transfers data at higher speeds and supports more current. Supports memory cards up to 256 gigabytes. Number 3. Topdon Portable Jump Starter. A powerful and versatile portable starting battery from the renowned Topdon brand. It has a peak current of 3,000 amps, which allows you to instantly start engines up to 9 liters gasoline or 7 liters diesel. The design is robust and safe. Copper clamps, heavy-duty cables, IP54 rated protective housing, a hanging hook, and adjustable stand make this unit even more convenient to use. Besides the main function, Jumpstarter works at 24,000 mAh portable battery with fast charging of devices via USB. There's a powerful 400 lumen flashlight for emergencies or hiking. It comes with durable connecting wires, an adapter, USB-C cable, and a carrying case. Number 4. Heavy-duty car wheel dollies. Set of 4-wheeled carts for moving cars in the garage or workshop. The carts feature heavy-duty steel construction and are powder-coated for corrosion protection. Each can support up to 1,000 pounds, and together they can support up to 4,000 pounds. This is enough to move most cars and pickup trucks. The carts feature 4 swivel universal wheels and a convenient carrying handle. The wheels are recessed into the body to prevent slipping off the platform and increase stability. Number 5.7-inch LED headlights. The 7-inch diameter LED headlights are a great upgrade for both the exterior and lighting of your vehicle. These headlights look stylish thanks to the classic spotlight design with distinctive round LED strips. They provide a bright yet soft light, improving visibility on the road. Sturdy aluminum housing, sophisticated optics, efficient cooling. The headlights will last a long time. Installation takes only 20 minutes. The headlights are suitable for various car models. Number 6. Car Battery Tester. It is an indispensable tool for checking car batteries. It is compatible with 12-volt and 24-volt starter and alternator systems. Test batteries at 100 to 2,000 cold cranking amps, suitable for all types of batteries. Compact and easy to use, ideal for small workshops and home applications. Adaptive conductance technology is used for more accurate analysis. It increases test accuracy from 92% to 94%, reduces false measurements, finds batteries with low capacity, reduces recharges and tests. Number 7. Remote key fob replacement case. If your original remote has scratches or cracks, there's no need to buy an expensive original part from the dealer. This replica looks exactly like the original, replicating the shape and design. It is fully compatible and is perfect for replacing a worn-out case. The kit only includes the plastic case itself, without the electronics and battery, so you can simply transfer everything from the old remote control to the new housing and continue to use the key fob as usual. Number 8. Plastic Parts Freshener and Protector. A 12-ounce aerosol plastic parts freshener and protector for restoring tarnished car interior parts. The product refreshes the color and adds shine to the interior and body plastic parts, panels, trim, bumpers, sills, seats, and more. The formula penetrates deeply into the surface and acts as a plastic, vinyl, and trim restorer. Returns color brightness to its original color and leaves no streaks. Creates long-lasting protection from UV rays and sunlight, preventing fading, cracking, and discoloration over time. Number 9. Car Diagnostic Scanner. I would like to tell you about a convenient and functional scanner for car diagnostics. This compact device allows you to easily and quickly connect to the onboard computer of your car, read fault codes, display the parameters of various systems, engine, transmission, ABS, and airbags. Determining the problem takes minutes, even for a novice. Just connect the scanner and press the diagnostic button. The device will automatically recognize the car model and start checking. The device supports more than 10,000 car models since 1996. The compact size allows you to carry the scanner with you in the car. Number 10. Car Key Fob Replacement Kit with Programmer. Car Key Fob Replacement Kit with Simple Key Programmer. The kit includes a programmer and a key fob with removable button modules for 3 and 4 buttons. The programmer is tied to the VIN of a particular car and can no longer be used for other cars. The key fob has all the necessary buttons: locking, unlocking, and alarm buttons. Additionally, you can activate the remote start button if this function is provided on the car. Allows you to program up to 8 key fobs for one car. To start work is enough. One working key. Cost-effective and convenient solution for independent key fob replacement without going to a car service. That's all for today's video. If you found these car tools useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing automotive innovations. Let us know in the comments which gadget impressed you the most. See you in the next video.